Are you planning to cheat on your meal while you're on your customized diet plan? First thing, you have to get rid of all or nothing mentality. You cannot overindulge or go off your health plan because you've planned a cheat meal. In fact, little bit of flexibility can be executed while you're on your customized diet plan. In fact, you'll be happy to know that a cheat meal helps boost metabolic rate and helps you stick to your original plan because it breaks monotony. Today we're going to discuss about few of the options that you can have on your cheat day. First is popcorns. They can be made in olive oil or canola oil. Little bit of salt. You can flavor them with pepper or chili flakes. You can have around 1 to 2 bowls of popcorns. Then you can have sweet potato fries instead of potato fries. Sweet potato is high in fiber as well as vitamin A, so it becomes a healthy option. Then you can have veggie crispies. They can be made through with lady finger or lotus stem. You can make them in air fryer or oven. Then you can have bruschettas. You can fill them up with lot of vegetables, mint chutney, black pepper, as it has anti-inflammatory properties, and it doesn't use too much of oil, so it becomes a low-cal option and a tasty one. Then you can have pizzas. Yes, you can have pizzas also on your cheat day. 1 to 2 slices, thin crust pizza, homemade or freshly made tomato sauce, lot of fresh vegetables, little bit of cheese, and you can put something like maybe a little bit of chicken on it. But yes, you have to avoid preserved chicken like pepperonis or salamis. Then you can have burritos. There again wraps with a lot of vegetables, little bit of cheese. Again, a very healthy option. For desserts, you can have chocolates. Dark chocolate, as you know, around 3 to 4 squares. Maybe after your cheat meal as well, you can have it. Then another option for dessert is gelatos. Yes, you can have 1 scoop of gelato with a little bit of fresh fruits, and it again becomes a very healthy option, as gelato is 30% less in calories as compared to your usual ice cream. Now, when we are doing our cheat meals, something that you have to remember is it has to be done before 6 p.m. and you should finalize your restaurant or the place where you're going to get these things from. Each cheat meal that we've discussed today will have around 100 to 250 calories, which can easily fit into your plan. On an average, if you're eating in a restaurant, a single meal will cost you around 1200 calories, which becomes little too much. But yes, if you're opting from the above mentioned options, it will save you. So you can celebrate